Hello, my name is Madeline Jiang. I am a first-year medical student at UT Southwestern, and today I'm going to try to answer a question submitted by Nicole, who's 43 years old. She asks, why are giant squids so hard to catch? Well, Nicole, this is a great question to ask, and I'm going to try my best to explain why I think it's so hard to catch a giant squid. Now, we haven't seen giant squids until very recently because they're still very elusive creatures to us. Most of what we know about giant squids are from dead specimens that are washed up all around the world on beaches, and so it's difficult to determine exactly where giant squids live. And we still haven't seen much of our oceans because less than 5% of the ocean has been explored. So the ocean is also still a mystery to us as well. We are also not adapted to working in deep ocean conditions. At the depths where giant squids live in, it's hard to see because sunlight doesn't penetrate through that easily, and this is all at crushing pressures that our fragile bodies and lungs can't handle. By the way, giant squids handle this by having gills instead of lungs and having the largest eyes known to man, at least in the animal kingdom. And so it's very hard to see them, but giant squids can certainly see us. And giant squids are also huge. The size of a giant squid is comparable to the size of a school bus. And it's a challenge to work and capture these animals so large, especially without injuring them. Now, in 2004, Japanese scientists were successful in trapping a giant squid for a while. However, it escaped by breaking off its own tentacle by itself. So that's also another factor to consider when we're trying to capture these elusive giant animals. Now, 2 years later, a giant squid was brought up from the depths up to the surface. However, unfortunately, this specimen was unhealthy before and it died from its injuries in the struggle. Now, in July of 2012, with the help of Edith Witter, who I actually recommend you go check out her TED Talk video if you are interested, after about 100 missions and 400 hours in a cramped submarine, researchers filmed the first live video of a giant squid in its natural habitat. And this just shows how far we've come, and I think we will be able to catch a giant squid someday. Now, to summarize, giant squids live in a challenging environment for human beings to work in. We're not very familiar with the oceans, and giant squids are at a challenging size to deal with as well. And so it's hard to catch them alive because they're at risk for escaping, or we're at risk for injuring them and actually killing the squid in the process. Now, I'll be leaving you with a list of resources that I use to make this video, and you can use them to follow up on if you're interested in learning more about the giant squid. Thanks for asking this question and have a great day.